Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by toasting 2 slices of bread to a light golden color so they hold up to moisture. Once done, make a quick creamy spread. Combine 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. This balances fat and tang for texture and flavor. Meanwhile, thinly slice cucumber, tomato, and bell pepper and pat them dry. Make sure to remove excess water so the sandwich stays crisp rather than soggy. Now assemble with intention. Spread about 1 tablespoon of the creamy, mix evenly onto each toasted slice to create a moisture barrier and flavor base. Next, layer a handful of greens, 3 to 4 slices of each prepared vegetable, and sliced avocado for extra creaminess. Alternate textures so every bite has crunch and softness. Once layered, season with crushed black pepper, a light sprinkle of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes or fresh herbs. Press gently to compact the sandwich before the final step. Close the sandwich and cut it diagonally to make it easier to eat and more visually appealing. You'll notice the layers hold better when slightly compressed. If you prefer warm, grill it for about 1 minute per side in a pan or press to melt the spread and seal the edges. If your sandwich becomes soggy, troubleshoot by patting vegetables thoroughly dry before assembly and increasing the spread layer as a moisture barrier. Make sure to eat within 20-30 minutes for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.